This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Whitney Parsons. Well-maintained and move-in ready, 4-bed/2.5 bath home, located in desirable Clover Meadows. The first floor boasts an open floor plan with a large kitchen with lots of cabinet/countertop space, stainless steel appliances, pantry and an island, as well as an eat-in dining area, office/flex space and spacious living room. Upstairs features the luxe primary suite with tall ceilings, walk-in closet, dual vanities and a garden tub, along with a spacious secondary bedrooms and laundry room. Out back, enjoy your own private oasis with a nice patio and level yard that looks out into the woods. 2-car garage, with 4 feet bump out, all appliances stay, new shed will convey, low SC taxes, and so much more. Conveniently